While the greater cryptocurrency market is red and kind of just trading sideways, we are seeing Dogecoin and Shiba Inu go up. Look at this. We have Shiba Inu. We have Dogecoin up. Shiba Inu right now is up 5% the last 24 hours, up 12% the last 7 days. Dogecoin is up 7%. And if we go ahead and take a look at the crypto market, we are seeing red in the market today. We are seeing Ethereum down. We're seeing Bitcoin down. But interestingly enough, we have Dogecoin popping up, and we also have Shiba Inu doing just the same. Well, why is this? And as I have talked about in my previous videos this week, there's going to be a big event tomorrow. The Fed is potentially about to raise interest rates. We have the Ukraine-Russia invasion FUD. We have inflation FUD. There's a bunch of stuff happening that's in the airways that is causing fear, it's causing uncertainty, it's causing doubt, it's causing panic. And that is keeping the crypto market from really pumping, from moving as it was. But in this video, we are going to be talking about what is actually about to happen. Why are some cryptos going up while some others aren't? Should you be selling your bags because the market is headed down? Is it going to continue to head down? All of these questions I'm going to answer very accurately in this video. So make sure you stay tuned for the whole video. You cannot miss anything that I have in store for you today. What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these absolutely time-sensitive videos that I make about cryptocurrencies every single day. Also, if you love cryptocurrencies, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below your favorite cryptos. I do check out my comments, guys. I do read them, so make sure you let me know what you thought about this video, what you would like to see in future videos. But if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trading community in the world, go ahead and join the Patreon right now. We do trade alerts for regular cryptocurrencies, when to buy and sell. We also do trade alerts for really small micro cap coins. We have a lot of things over there to make you money, where you can even speak to me on the phone. We can go over your current portfolio. We have a Discord, we have a VIP Discord, we have a free Telegram. A lot of that is in my video description below. So go ahead and check that out, and make sure you do not forget to get your 2 free stocks from WEBULL worth up to $3,500. All you have to do is go down in my link below, create an account on WEBULL, deposit 1 penny, and you will receive that free money. So let's go ahead and dive straight into the video. Make sure you also follow my Twitter and my Instagram. I put really good information on those at times that you cannot miss. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. So we have some really good information for you guys. Always awesome information to help you guys know exactly what is happening at all times, so you don't have to be looking on the internet. Why is cryptos crashing? Why are they going up? Where are they headed? What's going on? All of that information literally for free is on this YouTube channel. That's why you should be subscribed with notifications on. So what we have seen, let's go ahead and just take an overview of this week. What has happened the last couple of weeks. And as we take a look, ever since January 2nd, we hit the lowest point in the crypto market for the last several months, dating all the way back from November, which was the top of the crypto market, which was for Ethereum, $5,000 and change, and for Bitcoin, about $69,000. So ever since November, we have been in a downtrend, ladies and gentlemen. We've been in a downtrend, and each and every one of these candles, as we are looking at the weekly time frame, represents a week. So ever since November, we've literally had a red week all the way until last week, just basically last week. And we are potentially about to recover. We are showing signs of recovery, and it's very likely that we are going to start to continue up back in our trend. Look, the trend, these trends, they last periods of time, and that's why I always use the word, the trend is your friend until the end. It's a true saying, because look at this. The trend, guys, these bull markets and bear markets, they last for periods of time. They last for weeks, which are months, if you compose those together, months at a time, and the bearishness also does just the same. Months and months. So we have months of bullishness and months of bearishness, and it is looking like the months of bullishness are potentially about to start. That's what I personally think. Let me know if you agree with that in the comments below. So we have seen a strong downtrend all the way basically up until the last couple of weeks, where we have started to recover. We have started to bounce up, and just in the last couple of days, the last 3 days, we have seen red in the market, and that is totally healthy. That is totally fine, because if we go all the way to the left, remember, these are daily time frames. So each and every one of these candlesticks represents a day time frame. So what we do see is that when there is a lot of green, when it's going up, there are times of red. We see red candles, and that is completely normal. That's completely healthy. We've only seen a couple of red candles. It is not the end of the world, but these red candles have started because of a lot of FUD out there, which if you watch my videos, I highly recommend watching my last couple of videos. I explain why exactly this red is headed and where we are most likely headed. Now, in my opinion, because of what's happening out there, the Fed tomorrow is going to be potentially speaking, and they're going to be speaking potentially about raising interest rates. Now, there's been a lot of fear of them raising interest rates for a long time. They keep saying, no, we're not going to do it. But it's very possible that tomorrow they might do that. And if that is the case, we will probably see a greater pullback in the market. We could see a correction from that, or it could actually end up being bullish. So a lot of times, the red that we see is already factored into a future event, which may or may not happen, and that is what causes the pullback. Sometimes the fear of, or the anticipation of the event is what actually causes the pullback, and the event of the bad news or good news or whatever it is can actually cause the change in the market. So tomorrow, even if they were to raise interest rates, we might actually see green. But even if they don't raise interest rates, we'll probably see green. So it's very likely that tomorrow we could see green, but do expect that there is a strong possibility of a greater pullback in the market. And as we are taking a look at this current technical analysis, what I am seeing right here, guys, I'm going to be completely honest with you, is that the market has been very, very bullish up until this point. So it looks like, at least in this shorter time frame, that this has been the local peak, that we may have topped out for a period of time. We could be bouncing up very soon at any second, but I personally think, in my opinion, that we are headed down lower. So I have a bunch of indicators. Some of them are paid, which you're not going to be able to have access to right now. But some of these indicators let me know to buy and sell. But what I currently am seeing right here, ladies and gentlemen, is just bearish momentum. And the primary cause for this bearish momentum, as I have said, is that FUD is the news. But what we must look for in technical analysis is we see these strong support areas. Whenever these support areas are broken, as we have seen here happen all the way around the 11th of February, so just the last couple of days, we started to come down. And not only that, it seems like we are continuing to confirm this uptrend, because we are actually, as we see, this is the previous support or resistance level. We're actually coming up to confirm the bearishness as we've attempted to break past this previous support, which should be our support level. We've come up to test it, but we've gotten rejected. So it's very likely that we're going to most likely continue to head lower, maybe to this support level. And this is going to be for Ethereum, as I like to use Ethereum as a guidance, as a guide to the whole crypto market. It's likely that Ethereum will probably see 2,600 again, if that. So that's certainly a possibility. We could see a 5 to 10% move to the downside, which would be just about a 10% move to that support level. And Ethereum and Bitcoin are some of the biggest cryptocurrencies, and they are less volatile. So that means for Avalanche, for Litecoin, for BNB, for some of these smaller coins, we could see a bigger pullback versus the pullbacks that we are seeing for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's kind of like my analysis on the market. I think that we could see some red. I don't know what's going to happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen. But I personally am expecting a bigger pullback, a further dip, or a further drop. Not anything major in my opinion, and I will be making a big entry on those positions in the Patreon. I tell you when to buy and to sell. So when the time comes, you will be knowing what to do if you are a Patreon member. But in conclusion, I think we are headed lower. But the funny thing is, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, why are they going up while the market is red? Well, personally, in my opinion, I think that a lot of people are anticipating some really big crypto commercials, potentially with Dogecoin involved and Shiba Inu, and or both. We don't know. Maybe some big announcements with McDonald's, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Tesla. We don't know. But some people are anticipating some of that. That's why we had seen a pretty big move this morning, and today we're starting to head down from there. So don't be surprised if Shiba Inu and Dogecoin head down from here. But I wouldn't also be surprised, is based on the commercials that we could see in the Super Bowl, we could be seeing some pretty big pumps or some crazy hype events because of some of these crypto commercials that we may be seeing in the Super Bowl. And that's cool, because these are pretty much one of the first crypto commercials that we're going to be seeing in the Super Bowl. And that shows you that adoption for cryptocurrencies is underway, that more people are getting involved in cryptos like never before. And next year, there's going to be even more crypto commercials, and there's going to be crypto commercials everywhere. There's going to be crypto ads and just things everywhere. That shows the growth in the amount of people that are entering into this space at a very rapid pace. And that's a very good thing, because when there's more people in crypto, there's more money, there's more holders, and that pushes up the prices like crazy. So my current analysis is we just need to be very careful to see what's going to be happening this week, especially tomorrow in the crypto market. Are we going to be headed lower? Are we going to be going up? And technical analysis is going to give us those very precise understandings of what is likely happening next. And I personally think, based on technical analysis, that we are due for a small little pullback, a small move before bouncing up here soon. So if you got something out of the video so far, give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate your support and love, and have a great night, a great weekend.